How to hide apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide apps on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as home screen. And now here, once you are inside the home screen, scroll down again and tap on the option labeled as hide apps on home and app screens. And here you will see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. So to hide an app, just tap on it. For example, I'll select Chrome, and once you have picked the app you want to hide, just tap on done at the bottom. And now if I go back and open the app drawer, you will see that Chrome is no longer visible. And that's it. Now you know how to hide apps on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.